see you there. Welcome to Quarter's Corner. I am the artist formerly known as Mr. Quarter. Today, on this episode, we're going to be talking about the virtual talent show. So get ready to shine. Now, the virtual talent show is open to all Loamy Herd learners and staff members. You will have 2.5 minutes to share your talent with the world. Actually, share your talent with Loamy Herd. Because we are using Flipgrid, which is FERPA compliant, only people who have Google, the nv.ccsd.net accounts will be able to access the virtual talent show. In this video, you're going to be learning how to use Flipgrid, how to access Flipgrid, and how to record your video. Now, they have an app for Flipgrid, which you could also use. There is a way that you could pre-record your 2.5 minute video and then upload it to Flipgrid. But remember, it has to be 2.5 minutes long. If it's any longer than that, it will get cut off. Now, your talent doesn't have to be musical as long as it's school appropriate. I will be monitoring the videos to make sure they are school appropriate before I post them. Greetings. Today you're going to find out about the virtual talent show. What's going to happen is you're going to get a code. This is the code, flipgrid.com/706B393D98. So what's going to happen is you'll copy that code. It will be on Class Dojo. It will also be in Google Classroom. You put that code in there, and you're going to get to the virtual talent show. You're going to log into Google, your nv.ccsd.net account. If you don't know what that is, make sure you reach out to us, and we will make sure you find out what that is. And then you'll get to this screen where it says Virtual Talent Show. Scroll down, and you'll see a green button with a white addition sign. Hit that, and you'll get to this screen, which looks like this. You could add text if you like. Make sure if you do add text, it doesn't cover up your talent that you're sharing with the world. You could maybe cover up some of this clutter, like I have some clutter back there. Make it look a little nicer. You could put an emoji in there if you like. Again, make sure your emoji doesn't cover up your talent. The other thing you could do is you could add a video clip. So let's say you already pre-recorded something. As long as it's not over 2 minutes and 30 seconds, you could add that in there. So if you record your talent on maybe a phone or something like that, you could save it and then upload it to Flipgrid. Flipgrid does have an app as long as you have the code. Okay, so next thing, you could change your background if you want a little bit, but make sure if you do change your background, it doesn't interfere with your talent. If you're ready to record, there's a record button right here. Go ahead and record. You can stop. Now, if you didn't like that, you could re-record, redo. Now, if you feel like, oh, okay, that was great, I'm going to go to my next screen. Again, remember, you have 2 minutes and 30 seconds to share your talent with us. You could add more. Maybe you want to add to it. Or you could just go back to your next screen. Now, if you don't like it, you can also X out. Remember, when you X out, it's going to erase the whole thing. You're not going to be able to add anything to it. Next thing, if you feel like that's good, you will do a little selfie. Now, I like to do a little goofy, silly selfie here. You could add a little hat. Again, if your hat's too big, you can make it smaller. There you go. Your selfie. Maybe you want to say something in there. in, make it smaller if you like, down there, smile, feel like that. And then you go to the next screen. It says don't close the window, preparing your video. From there, you can put a display name. Now, what I'm asking you to do is put your first name, and then you could put something, whatever your talent is. And then if you have a description. Okay. And then you submit your video, and it says, congratulations. Now, the topic is moderated, so the video will be visible when I approve it. So if I feel like it's school appropriate, then I will approve it. If I don't approve it, I will let you know. The other thing is I am going to have likes and allow other people to comment on your videos. But what I'm asking for in those comments is only positive comments. We don't need to hear negativity at this point. We want to uplift each other during this virtual talent show. Be positive. Now, if I find there's negative comments in there, negative things in there, really horrible things, I will delete those videos and I will handle that appropriately. Press complete, and then it's just waiting for moderation. So hopefully you'll understand how the virtual talent show in Flipgrid works. And I'm looking forward to your submissions. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, KORDECJ@nv.ccsd.net. I'm available on Class Dojo as well.
Lucky, lucky dog.